Miss Cosmo 2024.
ជំរាបសួរបង
It is a nice, time pleasure to meet you.
My pleasure as well. My question is, in a world that is becoming increasingly divided, how can pageants like Miss Cosmo promote unity?
នៅក្នុងពិភពលោកដែលកំពុងតែមានការបែងចែកកាន់តែច្រើនតើកម្មវិធីប្រកួតបវរកញ្ញាដូចជា Miss Cosmo Cambodia អាចផ្សព្វផ្សាយសាមគ្គីភាពបានយ៉ាងដូចម្តេច
I believe that a pageant like Miss Cosmo is a platform that all of us can celebrate our individualness. This year, Miss Cosmo organization and Miss Cosmo Cambodia organization open opportunity for transgender women, for women who's married but no age, no weight, no height limitation. And this is showcase that all of us can unite together, celebrate ourselves, and we lead by example. Not only that, this platform is a platform where all of us can use our voice to address the certain that we believe in it. We fight for change in our world, and we stand by that. I use this platform to promote my advocacy, which is amplify the voice of women in education. And tonight, I am standing right here to find its purpose, that together we united as a nation. That is how we build a strong nation in Cambodia. Thank you.
នៅក្នុងវេទិកាប្រកួតសម្រស់ដូចជា Miss Cosmo Cambodia ពិតជាបានបង្កើតនូវវេទិកាមួយដ៏អស្ចារ្យសម្រាប់ឲ្យយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាក្នុងការសាទរនិងអបអរនៅភាពជាបុគ្គលនិងភាពជាខ្លួនឯងកម្មវិធី Miss Cosmo Cambodia បានបើកនៅឱកាសទៅឲ្យមនុស្សជាច្រើនចូលរួមនៅក្នុងការបង្ហាញសមត្ថភាពខ្លួនតួយ៉ាងសូម្បីតែ transgender ដែលជាបុគ្គលភេទទី3ក៏អាចចូលរួមប្រកួតបានដោយគ្មានលក្ខខណ្ឌនៅក្នុងការកំណត់អាយុភេទកម្ពស់និងពណ៌សម្បុរឡើយ